So the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra is already rolling in the market. And if you've made a budget for your next S10 Ultra, we'll say increase the budget. Just think, how many times have you needed more battery life, a faster way to type, or a better way to protect the gorgeous screen of your tablet? These small pain points can add up and limit how you use your device. And we don't want you to settle for anything less than the best experience with your Tab S10 Ultra. So in this video, we'll talk about the must-have accessories that will make your S10 Ultra complete. One of the most vital aspects for your new S10 Ultra is its safety. You won't love to see your tablet scratched, right? So don't forget to get a case to protect your tablet. And Stock's military-grade shockproof case is the ideal one. Like its name, it's very durable and strong. This case is made with a 3-layer construction and provides comprehensive protection against drops, shocks, and scratches. The outer layer consists of a hard polycarbonate shell, while the inner layer is made of soft silicone to absorb impact. Additionally, it features a built-in kickstand for hands-free viewing and a hand strap for easy carrying. The precise cutouts ensure full access to all buttons, ports, and cameras without compromising protection. The best part is, it's not only strong but also stylish. Tablet cases basically protect the back of your tablets. But what about the front part, the core of the tablet? You need a glass screen protector to protect your S10 Ultra's display. And the AACL2 glass protector is the perfect fit for this. It is designed to provide protection for your device's screen by offering a highly durable shield against scratches, cracks, and accidental drops. Each tempered glass in this pack is crafted with 9H hardness, which ensures your screen remains safe from everyday wear and tear while maintaining crystal-clear display quality. Its ultra-thin design ensures that the touch sensitivity of your device remains fully intact. Additionally, the oleophobic coating helps resist smudges and fingerprints, which keeps your screen cleaner for longer periods. So don't forget to add this to your bucket list. So as we said, the stock case has a kickstand to lessen hand fatigue. But in case you need a stand without the cover, you can consider using the U-Green magnetic tablet stand. This is a versatile accessory designed to enhance your tablet experience by offering both convenience and durability. The stand features adjustable angles up to 100 degrees, which allows you to find the perfect viewing position for watching videos, video calls, or working. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry in your bag, perfect for on-the-go use. Non-slip silicone pads ensure your tablet stays secure without scratching its surface, and the stand's wide-weighted base adds extra stability. Since the S10 Ultra is nearly a laptop-sized tablet, it's hard to carry it with your hand for a long time. The U-Green magnetic stand makes the whole thing easy. In the long run, you might feel the need for additional storage. So it's better to pick a Samsung Evo microSD card for your S10 Ultra. This card is perfect for users needing extra space for apps, photos, videos, and more. With read speeds up to 130 megabytes per second, it ensures fast data transfer, which makes it ideal for 4K video recording and high-resolution photography. The storage option is up to you. Don't just throw your money. Spend it according to your needs. If you want to ditch that large 65W charger for your S10 Ultra, the Nano2 65W is an affordable and more pocket-friendly option. Anker is effectively swapping silicon electrical components for gallium nitride, which creates a new set of parts that run cooler and more efficiently. For Nano2, Anker is using gallium nitride 2 that can run twice as fast, hence the major watt improvements, and still be as efficient. Every Nano2 charger offers a single USB-C port on the front but doesn't include a cable in the box. Plus, its built-in safety features protect your devices from overheating and overcharging. So if you need a reliable high-speed charger, the Nano2 65W is a must-have addition to your tech gear. To use your S10 Ultra as a personal keyboard, get an Infinix keyboard case. This case not only protects your tablet from scratches and impacts, but also features a built-in keyboard that transforms your tablet into a mini laptop. The magnetic attachment ensures a secure fit, while the keyboard's responsive keys make typing emails, documents, or social media posts very easy. The case also offers multiple viewing angles, perfect for both working and watching content comfortably. Its lightweight and slim profile means you can carry it around without adding unnecessary bulk to your bag. This is going to be a smart investment for your S10 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 3 might be the last thing that can complete your S10 Ultra. Equipped with active noise cancellation, these earbuds block out unwanted background noise, which allows you to fully immerse yourself in music, calls, or podcasts. The hi-fi sound quality ensures that every note is crisp and clear. For convenience, the Buds 3 Pro feature multi-device connectivity that lets you seamlessly switch between your phone, tablet, or laptop. With up to 8 hours of battery life on a single charge, it's aimed to last through your busy day. Add this to your bucket list to get the best out of your S10 Ultra. So that's the list of the must-have accessories for your S10 Ultra. Make some smart investments and put your money on the right devices. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.